So raised bed gardening, let's step away from containers. A lot of time, the benefits really are that the soil's staying loose, warmer. You could have higher yields. Of course, it's going to be easier to work in with this elevated. So some people will put their beds on legs or build them high enough to work at a standing position. So you see those salad tables that are coming out now. They're great for if you're working in a community garden or school garden with people in wheelchairs. So you want to have clearance under there for the wheelchair at about 27 inches tall so they could roll up to it and under. They also could work at it by their side, but that's not quite as comfortable as having it on legs and being able to work at it facing forward. Ideally, you're looking at 4 feet wide, because you could and that's if the bed is accessible from both sides. So your typical arm's reach is about 2 feet, so you want to be able to reach it from both sides with your arm, and it could be as long as you want. A lot of times if you're getting working with wood and you're going getting wood that's longer than 12 feet, you'll see some warping. So you might need to reinforce the sides with some anchors, rebar, or scrap wood and pound those into the ground to keep the bed from bowing. Okay, so keep that in mind. Also, if it's against a building, you may limit it to, 2.5 or 2 feet wide because you won't be able to reach it from both sides.